Good morning, children. So, today we will be doing the remaining portion of your chapter number 2, Nani's Walk to the Park. Okay, so yesterday we saw that Venki was at his Nani's place and they were going to the park. Venki also wanted to go to the park with Nani. So, Nani took her bag and they started walking towards the market and not the park. So, Venki asked that, Nani, where are we going? So, she says, we will going to the lane of treasure, where every shop sells everything. Then they go to the lane of beauty, this one, where they sell gothri, right? Then they go to the lane of happiness. Excuse me. Then they went to the lane of happiness, where all the cats and dogs were there. Alright, now we will see where next do they go. So till now we have learned 3 lanes of treasures, beauty and happiness. Okay, we were here till yesterday. Next, Nani and Venki walk through a lane behind a little school. Then they go through the backside of a little school. The children are playing Langdi, Lagori and Sakli. These are kind of games that Indian children play. We all have played these. Okay. So in this, then Venki asked her Nani, is this lane of noise? So he calls it the lane of noise. Can you see? Venki and Dadi are standing here in the lane and all the children are playing. Okay. So Venki asked Nani that, Nani, is this a lane of noise? No, it's lane of mischief. He calls the lane of mischief as lane of noise. Mischief is shaitani, naughtiness. Okay, it reminds me of you and your friends, laughs Nani. Nani laughs and says, no, this is not the lane of noise, but this is the lane of mischief, and it reminds me of you and your friends, of Venki and Venki's friends, because they also do that mischief. Have you named all the lanes in the city? Asked Venki. So Venki now was curious कि दादी ने क्या, नानी ने क्या सारी ही lanes को नाम दिया हुआ है. So he asked Nani, have you named all the lanes in the city? Not at all, smiles Nani. Only ones that are important to me, only the ones which are important to Nani, she has named them. Okay. The park is not far now, but you will have to be a little patient. I want to stop at the lane of friendship. Nani says to Venki that you will have to be a little patient because I have to stop in the lane of friendship. Okay, now let's see what is the lane of friendship. In the lane of friendship, Nani visits her dear friend. It is called the lane of friendship because Nani has to see her old friend. Okay, they were girls together and they have grown up old together. So it was Nani's friend who lived in the lane of friendship, and they were little girls together, and now they have grown older together. They whisper and they giggle. They tell things in the ears. They whisper small, very slowly they talk, and they giggle. They smile and laugh. Then Nani gives her friend a hug and says, it's time to leave. We will now go through the lane of dreams. Okay, there is another lane called the lane of dreams. Okay, children, remember these things and please underline this in your book so that you can revise it later for your exam. The lane of dreams has more books than Venki's school library. Now they go to the lane of dreams where there is a library. There are shops filled with books. Can you see here in the picture? Library is there. These pictures are so nice and so cute, small, no? And they are illustrating everything. The booksellers sell old books for very little money and buys the ones people have finished reading. So the booksellers in the lane of dreams, they buy and sell books for very less money. Nani chooses a book and says, let's go. We are almost at the park now. Nani says, let's take the book. Now we are almost at the park. Okay. And they walk down the lane of magic. One more lane of magic. Venki looks up at the big trees that offer shade. See here? Lane of magic. These big trees are offering shade. Shade means chow. And feel cool breeze. Breeze means very slow flowing air is called, or the gentle wind is called a breeze. Nani shows him Gulmohar, Amaltas and Jarul trees. Children, remember these three kind of trees? Gulmohar, Amaltas and Jarul trees. The flowers on the road look like magic carpet. The flowers fell on the road and they look like a magic carpet. At last they are at the park. It has been a long time since they left home. Now they have reached the park. But it was a very long time they had left the house for the park. Venki looks around and thinks of all the people and places he had seen at the morning. I like your lanes, Nani, he says. He tells Nani that I like your lanes, which we have just crossed. I love them. May I come with you next week too? Now he is so amused and he likes it so much that he wants to come next week also with Nani to the park. Okay, so it was a very interesting chapter. We learned about so many different lanes. I have underlined it in your pictures. You can please see that and underline the same in your book for your reference later on. Let's do the exercise. These are true false, children. Let's see. Nani goes to the park every day. No, that is false, because Nani goes to the park once in a week. Second, Nani takes a lot of time to reach the park. That is true, because she go through all the lanes. The lane of third one, the lane of treasure had a lot of shops. True. The fourth one, Venki quickly left the lane of happiness as he was scared of animals. No, that is false, because he loved the animals and he wanted to be there for long. But Nani reminded him that they have to go to the park. Alright. Fifth one, Venki called the lane behind the school as lane of noise. That is true. But what was the lane behind the school was called? It was called the lane of mischief. The booksellers in the land of dreams sold new books for a lot of money. No, it is false. They sold the books for a very small amount of money. Okay. Question third, children. In this you can find many statements are there. You have to order them correctly to make the summary of the chapter. You have to put the sentence first which comes first. For example, the first time that they crossed the lane, it was lane of treasures. So the lane of treasures will come first. Then they the second lane was lane of happiness. So then lane of happiness will come. Like that you have to arrange them in the order as they come in the chapter. The B part. Let's discuss the B part. What does Nani do in the lane of treasures? She buys her household stuff. Lane of beauty. What happens in lane of beauty? She takes Godari. Please check the spelling of Godari from the book. What does Nani call out in the lane of happiness? What do Nani and Venki do there? So they called out the dogs and cats and they gave milk to them. Okay, children, I'm telling you the answers. You will write answers on your own and you will send it to me as homework. What are the children doing in the lane of mischief? The children on the lane of mischief are playing Langdi, Salki, and there was one more game mentioned. You will write all the 3 game names. Okay, fifth one. Okay, I'll show you. See on page number 11. No. Yeah, on page number 11 you can see here. See on page number 10, children. Here, this is your answer for that one. Okay, for question number 4. For question number 4 on page number 10, you can find your answer. Had Nani named all the lanes in the city? Which lanes had she named? No, he did not name all the lanes in the city. She had only named the important ones. Okay. Alright, children, try to find out answer 8, 9 and 10 on your own, and we shall discuss it tomorrow in tomorrow's class. That's it for today, children. Have a happy day, and if any questions you can please ask me.